As this year comes to a close, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you who have watched the videos on this channel over the past 6 months or have chosen to subscribe. That means a lot to me. I really enjoy putting together Salesforce content, educational content, and desire to keep helping people along their Salesforce journey. I really didn't know what to expect, but I'm super thankful for the 17,000 views over these past 6 months. Over 700 people have reached out to request a study guide for the AI Associate Certification Prep and the Data Cloud Consultant Certification Prep. And so many people have been kind enough to reach out in the comments or on LinkedIn to show their appreciation. And that means a lot, so thank you for that. It's also been really cool to see the global impact. The Data Cloud course I put out on Udemy has been accessed by people in 25 different countries, which I think is really cool, and I'd love to continue to meet some of you from different places around the world. Now with the thank yous out of the way, I wanted to talk about 2024. I also want to get some feedback on what you guys want to see. Here's what I'm thinking. I want to put together some practical Salesforce use cases, maybe some niche types of industries and how Salesforce can be leveraged in those industries. I'm going to move forward with the admin training series, so if you haven't checked out this video about this live course I'm going to do, check that out. I'm also thinking about doing the advanced admin and maybe some marketing cloud this year as well. A third type of content I've been thinking about is CRM comparisons, so Salesforce and HubSpot or Salesforce and Zoho, things like that. And the last thing that I'm thinking about that I want to share is just to continue to develop out the Help Club. I'd love to bring on 1 or 2 more experts this year and then continue to develop ways for us all to connect in some way, whether that's Discord or Reddit or something like that, something that can help us to engage in helpful ways together as we are on our Salesforce journeys. So what do you think? What would you like to see this year? Do you have any thoughts? Please give me feedback. I'd love to hear it. Thanks again for being a part of these past 6 months. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and happy holidays. Merry Christmas.